Ba, 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 ba. All right, is it just me or does it feel like we've been waiting for this review forever? Okay, it's just me. But today we have a really cool review. We're not even gonna do an intro because I wanna just jump straight into this pair. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with all of the sneaker reviews. Leave a like and what's the next part? And comment your thoughts because that really helps the channel grow. Then we can do more giveaways. And I know that you guys are only here for the giveaway, so. Also, we're only about 50 subscribers away from 2,000, so another giveaway is right there on the horizon. But anyways, today we are talking about the Under Armour Curry 4 Flotro Pi Day. And Pi Day is significant because that is Steph Curry's birthday. I've also seen this referred to as the jet gray colorway, but I think predominantly online this has been called the Pi Day colorway. We've got to do better with these multiple names for the colorways. Just let it be one thing. These released on July 22nd for a surprising $140. I just figured that Under Armour was going to try to tax us on the Flotro pairs, but I definitely appreciate the affordability on these. I was able to grab my pair off of underarmour.com with a minor snag, but I'll talk about that a little later in the video. The Curry 4 is probably my favorite Curry silhouette, and rightfully so. Under Armour and Curry brand decided to bring it back with the flow technology as a little bit of a twist. What do you guys think? Which looks better out of the Curry 4 Flotro and the Curry 4 OG? OG! This colorway always made me think of the Curry 8 Beautiful Flow, which was also a release for Black History Month. But yeah, say what you want about Curry retroing his sneakers while he's still playing. He won a championship in this silhouette, so I guess it's all panning out. All right, now let's dive in and explore the features of the Under Armour Curry 4 Flotro in the Pi Day colorway. Under Armour is giving us bang for less buck here. They didn't cheap out on the materials used on the Flotro. The base of the sneaker is composed of some decent suede that wraps around the shoe. It's like a brown, almost lentil color. If you recall, the original Curry 4s did have a leather base, and I believe you are still getting a leather base on some of the other Flotro colorways. But here on his birthday pair, he decided to get a little fancy and give you some suede. And we've got some perforations here at the toe of the suede. Of course, with that suede, it will be a little warmer on your foot, so you do want those perforations so that your feet can breathe. And you've got 4 stripes on the lateral side, like some fake Adidas. And we also have a little leather patch here on the lateral side with, I want to say that's one of Steph's tattoos. It's like greater than, less than, or maybe reverse, but maybe you could also see it as AC, like Ayesha Curry. I don't know. We would have to ask Steph what exactly that means. Moving upward, we have this stretchy black knit booty contraption. There's also some blue lining going all the way down to the toe on the front. You also have a lot of that blue lining on the interior, and you have some lines going down the rear. And you have some dope red laces in here. Really like what they did with the laces on this pair. I feel like a lot of Curry pairs have had some dope laces recently. The red kind of just comes out of nowhere, but it goes really good with that lentil color. All right, I just want to try this out. If you made it to this point in the video, comment, what can brown do for you? You can see that this pair also has pull tabs, one at the front and then another here at the rear. That's always helpful with these sneakers that have booty contraptions, just with getting your foot inside the shoe. Sometimes because you don't have that conventional sneaker build with the tongue and the scoop at the back, it can be a lot harder to get your foot inside. So having those pull tabs makes your job a lot easier. On the rear tab, it does show that Curry brand logo, and at the front, it just says Curry going down. Well, it just says Curry, not Curry going down, but I'm sure you understand that. I'll also give you a glimpse of the medial side. You get to see a little bit more of the booty on this side as the suede is a little bit lower. And you also have some Under Armour Flow branding here, which you kind of see on all of the Curry brand releases. And that brings us to maybe the most crucial aspect of any Curry brand shoes so far. It's the sole. Curry brand sneakers thus far have all been using the Flow sole, which combines midsole and outsole. The outsole design, for the most part on each pair, has been the same. You've seen this outsole on the Curry 8, you've seen it on the Curry 9 for the most part, just with the addition of one more plate. But I guess the sole is working, why fix it? I've actually been a huge critic of the sole from Curry brand just because it's never really changing color. On this one, it's a little bit more beige, but for the most part, it's always been like a white outsole. But I am glad to say that Curry brand has introduced some new features. The Curry 4 Flotro Pi Day actually has a glow-in-the-dark sole. Glowing in the dark takes any shoe to the next level. I don't know how often people will get to see this if you're using these shoes to play basketball, but if you can find a way to bring these out in the night, you will definitely be able to turn some heads. And I actually have a sliver of hope that these can be rocked casually. They kind of remind me of some capsule court boots, mainly because of this circle that's here at the ankle. I haven't seen anyone getting off fits with the Curry 4 Flotro just yet, but I will definitely try to make that happen. Anyway, we've seen what meets the eye with the Under Armour Curry 4 Flotro in the Pi Day colorway. Now let's slap these on feet and see what they feel like.
I ain't loving these fake room smelling like 8 switches, room service like 2K, NBA, I'm ballin' in the autumn, falling like autumn, talking shit. I saw them now they daughter want a picture, rough ain't it? Oh, famous, too real, got the most haters. Wrote a story, so Stephen Curry, how it feel to be golden? Why was I chosen? Honolulu, babe with my babe, what can I say? I did it. My timing was perfect, I'm coming, they know it. Becoming the last great American poet, the flow Lindsay Lohan. Tired, retired, my word is art like a hieroglyphic. What island is this?
They feel great, they're comfortable, and you can definitely feel the increased grip in the outsole, even if you're not walking on the basketball court. I also love that it's a high top basketball sneaker. The way that basketball shoes are today, especially with NBA players' signature sneakers, everyone wants a low top shoe. And I kind of went through my phase with low top basketball shoes, but I just feel way more comfortable in a higher sneaker. You have more ankle support, you get to hide your skinny legs. Sign me up for high tops. But okay, earlier in this video, I mentioned that I was able to secure this pair with a minor snag. So I wear a US men's size 11, but as soon as I got onto the Under Armour website when these released, 11 was instantly gone. I figured why not just go up half a size? Some of the Curry brand sneakers have been slightly snug anyway, so if I size up, maybe it'll work in my favor. And in regard to sizing for the Curry 4 Flotro, I actually think going up a half size is the way to go. Like I said, going true to size with those other shoes was a little bit snug, but I think going up a half size actually fits a little bit more like a true to size. If you're a wide footer, I would suggest going up maybe a full size, but yeah, doesn't that suede feel good? Anyway, that is the Under Armour Curry 4 Flotro in the Pi Day colorway. I actually really like this pair, even though I hated seeing Steph Curry play in these during the season. I think it just looked weird with the Warriors jersey, but these look a lot better in hand. Let me know what you guys think of the Curry 4 Flotro, and let me know if you were able to pick up a pair. Remember to subscribe to the channel. We're only about 50 subscribers away from the next giveaway. And remember that you can join the channel as a member to increase your chances of winning that giveaway. So chime in down below and let me know what sneakers you guys want for that giveaway as it approaches. Leave a like, leave a comment, all that good stuff. And if you made it to this point in the video, comment Chefin' Sturry. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.